Okay, welcome to Tjmaxx. Let's quickly get started. Hope you're doing good. Yeah, I'm looking at fresh pieces in the store. Look what we got here. This is well cropped. Look, and there's the color. I don't know. Everything is happening here. This is giving summer. This is giving vacation. It's giving everything. Okay, and this one is $16.99. It's available in different sizes. Okay, and here I'm looking at this yellow sleeveless top. This got a matching set on $19.99. And here we are looking at this. Look at this, the matching sets. Yeah, this one is $24.99. This is with $50 you have yourself a very good set. Here we are looking at these sleeveless stripes. If you are all about this trend, come to Tjmaxx. $24.99. These are new finds, fresh in the store. Okay, and here we have this bottom, which, look at this, I'll show you the matching top. And this one is $19.99. Look at the matching top. Yeah, with $50 you get yourself a very good set for summer vacation. Look at this wide leg pants for $16.99. All right, and this skirt, look, it came with this crochet belt, and this one is $19.99. Here we have this clean button-down crop top for $19.99. Okay. Yeah, here we have this sleeveless one. Look, for $16.99, and is available in different sizes. Okay. Yeah, let's see what they have here. If you like my type of video, give me a thumbs up. Share to others. This is a good two tops, 2-in-1 for $19.99. It's available in different sizes. And here is a good set. Look at this, right? Look at this. Look at this. Your high schooler will thank you for this. Trust me. Perfect set. Okay, and it's available in different sizes. All right. Behind, more sets. I think this is 3-in-1. No, actually it's 2-in-1. It feels so thick, and this one is $24.99. All right, and here we have another one. Look, good sets, right, for $19.99. These are priced together. Look at this. Look at this. These are better together. This actually 3-piece set. Okay, it's 3-piece set, and this one is $16.99. Here we have this crop top for $9.99. All right, and here is this wash short by BCBG. Interesting high waist, $16.99. I wish I can see this in my look one we got here, $16.99. Okay. So handbag section, let's start from here. Yeah, nicely beaded. I love the structure as well. Okay, and this is just $24. And here we have a combination of bamboo and straw. This is called for $24.99. Here we have this one. This is on sale for $20. Up here we have this flower design bag for $34. This is perfect for your event. And here We have this straw one, well beaded. This is good trend. And this was $80. Today you get this for just $29.99. Interesting. And let me show you something else I saw. All right, look what we have here. This floral bag, perfect for your event. And the color is given. If you are all about this trend, $29.99. This is so cool. I love these. I love this so much. Okay. Yeah, okay. More bags here. Perfect for your events. Look at this floral one. Interesting. Let's check the price. Price for this is $24.99. This is straw, $29.99. And here we have this one. This feels so heavy, well beaded, $29.99. This is an act. And look at another one, right? India, these are handcrafted, right? Well done. And here we have this one as well. Look. $34.99. And we have this clutch one. Interesting. And this is for $39.99. All right. Let's see what they have here. This is clean white by Guess for $39.99. And here we have this one, $34.99. I saw that at Marshall's. Here is this butter yellow bamboo top handle, well structured bag in this trendy color. Excellent, everything in one. This bag was $478. Let's check this out. Today you get this for $129.99. That's a good find. All right. Tissue section, we have this $19.99. This jelly flats for $24.99. And we have these classic sandals. All right. This one is $19.99. We have these flat moves by Steve Madden. And this one is $29.99. We have this one, straw flat by Steve Madden for $24.99. Here we have another one by Nye West for $29.99. We have this one, the quality is excellent, for $29.99. Okay, here we have this $24.99. Okay, and here we have this one. Okay, I love this quality. Interesting. This is $34.99. Here we are looking at this. Okay, $29.99. If you are all about this straw, trend, come to Tjmaxx. They got you covered. $19.99. And here is this one. This one is $29.99. Yeah. Okay, so price is not on that one. Down here, more shoes. Yeah, 19. Let's look behind and see what they have here. Okay. Here is this one. $29.99. Alright, I am looking at this one. Like my video. Share. Thank you. Yeah, MK. 99. 99. 99. Alright. Okay.